From a creative standpoint, I can see why a person would say this is the king already. I mean, this is a really hot phone, man. This is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. You might see a lot of people already saying that it's the king. I don't know if I'm going to label it phone of the year yet, because we still got, at the recording of this video in September, we still have the Pixel 4 that has not gotten to my hands yet. And I don't remember ever naming a Pixel phone of the year. But anything's possible. However, I don't believe I've ever done that. But reality is, I've named the Galaxy Note a phone of the year before, and I don't think this phone is going to be an exception. This is a follow-up video, obviously, on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The reason this phone might be considered the best in the game is a number of things. It's not just this big screen. It's not just this S Pen, the S Pen suite. There's a lot that goes into this device being really, really good. And for me, it's just a combination of the package. That's all. I could do the things that I do on this device. I should be able to do them on a Pixel 4 whenever I get the Pixel 4. The things that I can do on this device, I should be able to do it on my iPhone 11 whenever I get the iPhone 11. It's just something about this display. Something about these cameras. Something about that S Pen. Something about these speakers. Something about the overall experience and performance that I get from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus makes it unique in its own. Now again, I'm not saying this phone is going to be the phone of the year. If this phone isn't the phone of the year, it will probably have to go to the Pixel 4 more than likely, or the iPhone 11, how well I like the cameras, and if I could do pretty much the same things on those phones as this phone. Speaking of software, I'll definitely be able to do the same thing on the Pixel. But the Pixel has a smaller display, and it'll probably have better cameras. We don't know yet. We have to wait and see. The iPhone is probably going to have great cameras, but it's going to have a smaller display. It's going to have a different operating system. But all that aside, I made a video last year saying, I can see why people say the Note 9 is the king. The Note 9 was my king for the year. You know what I'm saying? It was the king. It was the top. I was able to knock stuff out and get it done, and I was comfortable using that 24/7. Well, I haven't taken my primary SIM card out of this device yet. I just haven't done it. It's just been that good. Obviously, I have other phone lines. I've got the OnePlus 7 Pro, which is what I'm recording with now, and I'm using that on visible wireless. Then I've got my other T-Mobile line, and then I also have my I have a Cricket line, and then I have and don't ask me why I have all these lines, okay? Mind your business. And then I have my Google Fi line. So I need these lines. Of the lines, I need at least 4 of them. One of them is I just got it because I just got it. You know what I'm saying? So, but this phone is still here. I posted on Twitter, it's going to be difficult to take my primary SIM card out of this device and put it into the iPhone to review it. I'm going to feel like crap, and it's just the way the Galaxy Note does for me. It completes it, especially when I open up this application. When I open this up, man, there's so much I get done with this. I can just do it all, son. I just get it done. And I'm happy about that. Performance is fast. Cameras are fast. Everything is good so far. I'm not having any problems. And I want it to stay that way. So when I start reviewing the Pixel and I start reviewing the iPhone, I'll be recording those videos with this phone. 4K 60 frames per second, 1440p 60 frames per second is the route I'm going to try to take here on out. I don't know how long it's going to last, but we shall see. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus is quickly becoming the king. So these other OEMs better hurry up and grab my attention. It's your man Jay. Let's get it.